Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this smartphone. First of all, access tab menu. Now you need to look for auto rotate icon, in this case rotation icon, and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. You can disable it by tapping on the same icon, but you can also go into settings and choose display. Over here scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!